my name is Ashley with Cool Kids Knit, and today I'm going to show you how to cast on stitches. Okay, there are a few different ways to cast on stitches. I'm going to show you the way that works for me. Obviously, you're going to need your needles and your yarn. So to do the long tail cast on method, which is what I like to do, you want to create a long tail, is what it's called. And the length will depend on how many stitches you're casting on. The more stitches, the longer your tail will be. Because my needles are 6.5 millimeters, they're a little bit bigger and the yarn's a little thicker, so I do want a bigger tail, maybe right here. You always want to do more so you don't have to undo it and do it all over again. So once you have the length of your tail that you want, you are going to have to make a slip knot. Let me show you how. So there are different methods to make this knot. I will show you the way that works for me. With my long tail, I'm going to have it in my hand like this, finger up, and wrap a nice little loop around my finger. Then I'm going to pinch the loop close like that, take out my finger, and then with the long tail, I'm going to put a little loop through the big one and close. This is my slip knot. You can manipulate it to make it smaller and bigger. And I'll show you how I do that one more time. So with the in my hand, finger up, wrap around, pinch like that. And this yarn, I'm going to put it through the hole, pull it through and pull these ones like that. Now you don't want it to be too tight to where you can't move it anymore. So here we go. And now you're going to take your needle and put it through the hole. Oops, I did it the wrong way. So you want the tail to be on top and the working yarn down. Now you're going to tighten like that, not too tight, just enough so it hangs on. There are different ways to cast on, but this is the way that works for me. So you've got your two pieces here, your long tail right here, and then your skein or your ball right there. I like to put my pointer finger in between and then wrap the two yarns around my hand. And then with my thumb, I'm going to open the two strings like that. So again, I'll show you. My index finger in between, wrap the two around, and my thumb goes in as well. And this is how you're going to hold it in order to start casting on. To cast on, you don't want your tension to be too tight. You're going to twist your hand slightly. So the tip of your needle will go in between these two, right by your thumb. Sweep up and around the top of the yarn and under and through that loop. I'll show you again. You're going to twist, tip of the needle in, around that second loop and through that loop and pull, keeping it nice and loose, not too tight. Again, twist, it goes under by the thumb, around, grab that yarn and pull it through the loop. I hope this video was helpful, and if you have any questions, leave them down below. Happy knitting!